Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about DoorDash international story and its plan for the future. DoorDash was founded in 2013 and is based in Silicon Valley. DoorDash mission is changing forward, making order food easier. Following many years of growth, DoorDash has not only done well within the US but has also spent well to many countries and parts of the world as well, and is today a world leader in the food delivery business. DoorDash has expanded internationally step by step. They began in the US to gain experience instead of rushing into the global market. They then moved into Canada and Australia gradually, then Asia and Europe. That is how they are learning what each market need and customize their service quickly. DoorDash success is slowly because of the power of technology. The tech platform is able to optimizing delivery rooms, render them more efficient, and even adjust restaurant and meal based on individual preferences. This technology engine allows DoorDash to scale their success rapidly and gain user very quickly in new location. Internationalization is not easy. When enter the Japanese and the German markets, there were many challenges. First, cultural difference. For example, Japan's food culture and takeout habits are very different from those in the US. Second, fierce competition in Europe. Local delivery software already has a lot of users, requiring local competition and innovation. Finally, there is growing regulatory pressures as countries increasingly regulated the gig economic business must ensure their model complying with the new rules. There are three key reasons why DoorDash went international. One, the US market is saturated. DoorDash need to find new sources of growth. Two, capital market expectations. Being a listed company, it has to demonstrate to investors. Three, technological advantage. The technological experience and expertise that DoorDash has acquired in the US give them the ability to expand into foreign countries. There are five reasons behind DoorDash growth into other countries. High internet and smartphone penetration, over 19% in Japan and Germany. Great food culture and a strong demand for takeout. Market size in Japan is estimated to be $15 billion by 2022. Friendly competitive environment. For example, Foodora acquisition in Germany. Economic growth and rising purchasing power. Middle class expression in Southeast Asian and Latin American, with Southeast Asia's food delivery market expected to reach $13 billion by 2025, and friendly policies and business environments. Canada and Australia have clear policies and easy access. In the coming 5 years, DoorDash trap course, the world will witness several opportunities and challenges. The first is opportunity. First, growth in emerging markets, rising internet penetration in Latin America and Southeast Asia gives DoorDash ample room to grow. Second, diversified service. DoorDash is expanding into instant delivery service such as pharmaceuticals and groceries to further diversify its business. Finally, emerging technologies. New technologies such as drones and self-driving car will bring new possibilities for express deliveries. Let's look at the challenging of the next 5 years. 1. Regulations are intensifying. Increasingly, countries are legislating for the gig economic and the business have to comply with those regulations. 2. Raising competition, the world food delivery market will be even more competitive and need to keep innovating to stay in front. 3. Cultural adaptation. As it enters adaptational emerging markets, it must flexibly modify its business model to accommodate various cultures and consumption habits. DoorDash experience in other nations demonstrates that it can thrive internationally by expanding step by step, leveraging new technology and being flexible in different markets. Beginning in the US, DoorDash has expanded into numerous countries and regions around the globe. It's not only capitalization on new markets but also addresses cultures, disparities, and real those the application of technology and local responsiveness. In the future, DoorDash will also need to deal with regulation, competition, and a changing culture, but it also has a lot of potential for expansion with multiple service and advanced technology. DoorDash is in a position to establish itself as a leader in the world and become a standing for global food deliveries. This is Reverse. Thank you for listening.